I'm back here with another video. And today, I think it's my keyboard. The Aurora Spark. Or it should be on my keyboard. So yeah. A little bad unboxing video, but it's a video. I said video before. Whoops. Let's get into this. Oh, I gotta use my scissors. Oh fuck. I ordered this like last week. I ordered it last week. So yeah. I haven't been making videos because it won't let me upload. It says error. And it is my own Spark. Yes. It is. This is great. Okay. We got more. Yeah, look at it. Unboxing. So my room is a mess still. What else back here? What do you check? It's heavier than I thought. Way heavier than I thought. Maybe like at least like 2 kilograms, 3 maybe. Yeah. I just came back from school, so. Oh no. I think I just ruined the box. I want to keep the box, so I'm gonna put the iPad down for a bit. We're back. This might take a while. Oh, come on. Right, yeah. I'm trying to open it without. Yes, I did it. Okay. Nope. I'm gonna open this with one hand. Just had to like tripod, whatever. But I'm not doing YouTube full time, whatever. I'm not doing daily, weekly videos. I have doing videos when this happens, like something special happens. I put it down again. Sorry, guys. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Okay, here. I have to put it down again. Oh. Let's just get this rid of that.